Toolbx.
Good morning and welcome to Morning Circle with Toolbx and Teacher Tanya. I'm so very happy that each and every single one of you have decided to join us here today for yet another Morning Circle with Toolbx.
Eyes are watching, eyes are watching. Bum, sit down, bum, sit down. Now everybody listen, everybody listen. Mouths go zip, hush. And hands go down on your lap.
So let's jump right in, shall we? In today's Morning Circle, we are going to say our greetings. We're going to see how everybody is doing today. We're going to count our attendance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many people are here today? We're also going to take a look at the weather. Do you know what it is today? And after that, let's spin the wheel and check out which life skill we are going to practice for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yes, that's right. And to finish, it's time for, yes, you guessed it. It's time for us to sing a song. And today we're going to sing 2 songs. 1, previewing Monday's song, and 2, a brand new one. So stay tuned for Morning Circle. It starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Morning Circle. Good morning to you all. Now it's time for us to head over to our window and have a little look-see what the weather is like today. Is it a sunny day, or a rainy day, or a windy day, or a snowy day? Is it a partly sunny, partly cloudy day? Is it a hot day? Is it a cold day? Let's look in the window one more time and you can tell me what kind of day it is today. What is the weather like today? Yes, you are correct. It is a windy day today. Yes, it is. It's because where I live, it's the beginning of autumn. The autumn season is coming, so the weather is getting a bit colder and also very windy. Yes, that's correct. It's very windy. So if I ask you, what is the weather like today? You can say, it's a windy day. It's a windy day. Yes, it is.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you like it, click the thumbs up. For more episodes with Toolbx.